In this video, we will explain the data shown on the display screen as well as the keypad configuration. When power is connected to the control valve, the screen will flash between the time of day and the total remaining gallons before the softener will need to regenerate. The menu function button is to enter the basic setup information required at the time of installation. The Set Regen function button is to initiate either an immediate or delayed manual regeneration, and the arrow up and down buttons increase or decrease the value of the settings while in the various programming modes.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.